jolly guy. Right. Of my light bulbs. Today we have gone out and bought some very expensive light bulbs. Here they are. They are mercury free, dimmable, 25,000 hours of use, I think, on and off. Don't know what all that means. Turn them on and off for 12,500 times. I hope you'll be counting these. These are going in Stefan's room and they're ever so expensive, of course. The 10 watts of LED gives you a 60 watt light bulb. I wonder if you should have had 100 watt, but don't know. Don't know what all that means. It's 25 years on the clock. Okay, and here is the price. They cost $14.98 each, so $30 worth of light bulbs, because Stefan has 2 in his room. So Stefan's task also now, these are the other ones that were in his room. They've got to now go in the places that haven't got energy efficient light bulbs. So Stefan has to go around the house looking at all these. You can see that's an energy efficient. So you've got to climb up on the stool, check that. If it's not energy efficient, put an energy efficient on. However, the first thing to do, there might be several of them. Well, that looks nice, very nice.